Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have SONY INZONE H9 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily modify your pre-saved presets, equalizer presets. As you can see, here we have SONY INZONE H9 headphones, and if we click on sound settings over here, we will see sound profile, special sound and noise cancelling. We have to look at sound profile, and here as you can see the equalizer. To modify, we have to click on some equalizer preset, and here we can modify this preset. Here as you can see, you want to override custom with the current value, we can click OK, and this preset from bass boost modified preset will automatically be brought to the custom one. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.